Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarping, PhD in Accounting, and today our topic is target costing. Target costing is a method for pricing, usually for price takers. And if you want to know what price taker is, we have a video about that in our channel, and the link is in our video description. Okay. I start with the market price customers are willing to pay, and subtract the company's desired profit. So it is not like the cost plus approach where we have our cost and our profit and we have our selling price. And by the way, if you want to know more about cost plus approach, we also have a video about that, and it is also in our video description. Target costing works with the following formula: revenue less desired profit equal total cost. So let's go to our Excel file, and just like any other video, our Excel files, they are free, and the link for download is in our video description. Let's work with the same numbers of the cost plus pricing, and the cost plus pricing per unit is 69. However, we have a problem. The market sales price is 65. And let's go with. Let's consider our revenue at this market price. So let's consider 65 times 170. We always work with the units needed, that is all our production, not with the plant capacity. And our desired profit, total assets times desired return on asset. 1,280,000, the same 1,280,000 of the cost plus approach. So the target profit equal revenue less cost. So cost is equal revenue less profits. Revenue less profit. 9,770,000. Total costs. Total costs are 3 million plus 1.5 plus 28 plus 7 per unit times units needed. So fixed cost plus variable cost per unit times number of units. 10,450,000, the same 10,450,000 here. So we need a cost reduction here. Our total cost is more than 10 millions. Our target cost, or the maximum cost, is less than 10 million. So 9,770,000 less 10,450,000. So what Skype Corporation needs to do? What are the options? Reduce fixed costs, reduce variable cost per unit, bringing product differentiation, adding more products so we can increase our selling price, or accept a lower profit. Let's go back to our file. Skype Corporation has identified 300,000 of fixed cost savings. So how much is our cost now? Our cost now is our target total cost, 9 million, less our actual fixed cost. Our actual fixed cost will be 3 million, 3 million plus 1.5 million, less our savings, less $300,000 savings. So 4 million, 4.2 million. If our total cost is 9.7 million, our fixed cost 4.2 million. So our target variable cost is $5,570,000 divided by number of units, 170. So our target variable cost now, so our target variable cost per unit now is $32.76. How much is our How much is our current variable cost? Our current variable cost is 35. So we still need to reduce our variable cost in $2.24, or accept a lower profit. So here is how we deal with our savings. Here we have only fixed cost savings, and then we need now to also reduce our variable cost. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, please uh, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. Have a very nice day.